from YouTube. It's not the right thing to do. Hello, Chef Guiliano here, and I'm your chef on a mission, especially if you're a business owner. If you're a business owner, go to my website, 50mistakes.com, 50mistakes.com. It's a cyber coaching website. Sign up for my emails. You'll get tons of emails with content like this. Today, I want to talk about the best way to distribute your YouTube video after YouTube, okay? A lot of people upload to YouTube, and they copy the link, and they put that link in Facebook. And then from there, they're wondering why that video's not going that far on Facebook, or that link is going that far. Because after all, a lot of you have more of a following on Facebook than you have on YouTube. I'm one of the exceptions. I have 62,000 subscribers right now on YouTube. And on Facebook, I don't know. On Twitter, I have 25,000, 23,000 followers. And on Facebook, it's much less. So here's how to hack this. How to get more views with that video that you've made for YouTube. So, do not put the YouTube link in your Facebook. Facebook's main purpose is to keep you on Facebook. They monetize as much as they possibly can. That's how they make money. That's how Mark Zuckerberg's a billionaire, the youngest billionaire ever, because they monetize everything. So if you're going to post a link onto Facebook, Facebook knows that it's an external link, and they know you're leaving their platform, and they don't want that. So they're going to throttle that post. They're going to keep that post at a lower level because they don't want people to leave. They go to YouTube. If you flop over to YouTube, YouTube has its own ad marketplace. YouTube has generated its own revenue for themselves, for Google, and they're going to keep you there. So here's what you do. You make the video for YouTube, upload it to YouTube. And then you take that same video and you upload it to your Facebook. You upload it in your video or your picture. When it says upload a photo or video, you click that and you upload it there. You don't link it. Do not link it. I repeat, do not link it from YouTube. It's not the right thing to do. Upload it into the Facebook platform. It makes Facebook happy. They know you're staying there. You'll get more distribution. The downside is you're not going to get it monetized like you got it monetized on YouTube, because a lot of you YouTubers are making cash. You're making money, right? And I was afraid, like, if I don't link it, I'm not going to get as much money. The name of the game is to first of all, if you're doing YouTube for the money, you're doing it for the wrong reason. YouTube is something you do because you want to express, you want to communicate, you want to share your passion, your product, you want to educate people. So the money is a bonus, right? I don't make much money on YouTube. I mean, if I make 12 to 15 grand a year, that's it. People are making a lot of money on YouTube, and it can be a full-time job. So yes, you do want to make money if it's a full-time job, because that's what you're doing to make your living. But at any point, you can lose your channel, and that can be cut off. Channel ban, taken down, YouTube platform changed. We had recently, last 2 years, the YouTube adpocalypse, which Facebook, I keep saying YouTube started cutting their shares down, and their cost of their ads were just less. First of all, it's dirt cheap to advertise on YouTube, folks. If you're not on YouTube, get on YouTube. You have a business and start advertising on YouTube. It's cheap. I'm advertising like weddings, catering, which is a big lead, by the way, for like 9 cents a view for an ad. It's insane how cheap it is. So back to the whole thing. I don't mean to deviate off. I got a lot to say on all these topics. So upload to Facebook, upload to YouTube, keep them separate, keep both those platforms happy so they're not crossing over to each other, and your video will get more views on Facebook. I promise you, you will sell more product, you will educate more people, you will share your passion more. The name of the game is to get the views, you get the money. That's it. I'm Chef Marcus Guiliano. And again, head over to 50mistakes.com, 50mistakes.com. Sign up for my emails. Have any questions, comments, leave them over there. I'm happy to answer. And yeah, that's it. Talk to you later.